Imagine every word, every sentence is a point in space. An embedding model takes every word and places it as a point in a huge multidimensional space. Words that mean similar things, they end up near each other. So, king and queen end up near each other. Dog and cat, right next to each other. Pizza and pasta, same neighborhood. The model figured out these relationships all on its own, just from reading tons of text. But king and pizza, they're far apart. Low semantic similarity, the embedding model knows. These concepts have basically nothing to do with each other. Now here's where it gets practical. When you build a RAG system, like feeding your documents to an AI, the embedding model turns your 100,000 documents into points in that same space. When a user asks a question, that question gets turned into a point too. And then you just find the nearest document points and feed those to the language model. That's it. Fast, cheap, semantic retrieval, without shoving every document into the context window. That's the whole trick. Turn words into points. Find the nearest ones. No need to shove every doc into the context window.